Auntie, Takia ma'am, Annie ma'am, Safina ma'am, all teachers and non-teaching staffs to this great day. A special welcome to all the guests and parents who have joined us despite their tight schedule to share every moment of this wonderful day with us. Rashid, do you know what's the theme of a sports day? Yes, I know. Expo 2020 corrective maths create in the future. But how can we correct our maths? Today is first day. Why should we have such a theme? See, Rashid, everyone talks about Expo, but they don't understand the importance of this global event. Do you know it's a World Expo, a registered exhibition of the world is going to be hosted by Dubai, which is opening in October 2020 until April 2021 at Al Wasl. The whole of UAE is so excitedly looking forward to explore how Expo 2020 is going to be. So let's disclose the secret of world's greatest show and embark in a thrill learning adventure through sports. Yes, the world's greatest show. I think it would be a wonderful place filled with fun, excitement, and most importantly, Latifa. I am so excited to know more about this team. Oh, Salamat, the wise and powerful country. I heard that your heritage is similar to the people who once lived here. You're our inspiration. Let us know more about you. Rashid, thanks for your kind words. Dear audience, I am the Gav tree in the middle of this land. And my roots know all histories, past, present about this land. Under my calming shade, many people came and went until they started calling me Salama, please. I was the shelter of many passers-by, around which people would gather and share their tales under my shadow, and my branches witness to the formation of UAE. Now it is time for me to pass the knowledge on to the next generation. Then these monuments emerged for the new generation. It makes minds come together and connect. Dubai Expo is set to welcome 192 participating countries and millions of visitors from across the globe. Thank you. Under our Salamas watchful eye, let's begin an exciting journey guided by the robots Opti, Alif and Terra, who represents Expo 2020's three theme of opportunity, mobility and sustainability. They are the nation's true value. Dear audience, we are going to take you to a wonderful journey of games with three houses: sustainability, mobility and opportunity. Hi Upkeep, Arif and Tara. Tell us what is special behind this team. Hi, connecting minds, creating the future. We provide a platform to foster creativity, innovation and collaboration globally. I am a peer. I am the garden of opportunity. I am discovering innovative paths to preserve our art for future generations. I can show you how to do that. People to move from one place to another. I am sure the World Expo will be indeed an amazing journey to know about the Expo history, experience new aspects of global cultures, discuss the dreams, ambition, and through this mega and, and achievement through this mega event.
Click subscribe and click the bell button to get notification. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share in comments. See you later. Bye-bye.